Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your Lazada wallet funds to Gcash. So step number 1 is to check Lazada wallet withdrawal eligibility. Lazada currently doesn't offer a direct way to transfer funds from Lazada wallet to Gcash. So you will need to withdraw your Lazada wallet funds to your registered bank account first. For step number 2 is to link a bank account to your Lazada wallet. So to do that, go to your Lazada account, tap on account, and click on wallet, and then withdraw funds. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to add one. So click add bank account and enter your bank details. And make sure that it's same account you plan to use for withdrawal. Step number 3 is to withdraw funds from Lazada wallet. Once your bank account is linked, follow these steps. Tap on account, go to wallet, and tap on withdraw funds. Choose your linked bank account and enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and confirm the withdrawal. Lazada typically processes this within 1 to 3 business days. Step number 4 is a transfer from bank to Gcash. After the funds are credited to your bank account, you can transfer the money to your Gcash wallet. And here's how. Open your Gcash app, tap on Cash In, choose your bank from the list of available options, and enter the amount to transfer. Then tap on Confirm. And lastly is to confirm the Gcash transfer. You should receive the funds in your Gcash wallet almost immediately after the transfer is confirmed. And there you go. Please take note that there is no direct Lazada wallet to Gcash method. These steps help move your funds to Gcash via linked bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!